Hello, in this tutorial, you will learn how to check audio, video, and lock your microphone. To check audio, you select Tools, Audio Wizard, and then you want to select Headset with Microphone because with speakers and microphone, this will cause a feedback that you don't want. So you always want to use your headset with the microphone with your Centra in class. And click Next. And then you want to make sure that when you're talking, it's lighting up, and also you can hear yourself. If you can't hear yourself, you want to click Advanced, and adjust accordingly to the settings that it provides. Then you want to speak in your microphone to make sure to test the volume level. Make sure when it's comfortable, you are in the green, and then up to the yellow is also the best quality. And click Finish. Then to check your video, you just click Tools, Video, Video Wizard, then you check your video source. In this case, it's built in. Click Next, and you get a sample of your video. Now, to lock your audio, you select Actions and click Lock Talk button. This enables you to talk to your class without having to click the audio button on your keyboard before talking.